Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Yeah, just only want to focus on the shorter time frame count here today. Litecoin looks okay at the moment. It obviously broke out yesterday to the upside. That was all going according to script. It broke our Elliott Wave triangle, which I count as finished here with this spike to the downside yesterday at where were we? $89. Yeah, I count the wave 4, the larger wave 4 complete. And we're now looking at a wave 5 into the $130, $140 region. Where exactly we are going to land, that is going to be determined here by how far do we come down in the wave 2. Then we can measure targets for the wave 3. As soon as we have the wave 3 complete, we can calculate a target for the wave 4. And as soon as that is complete, we can calculate a quite accurate target, hopefully, for a wave 5. But yeah, at the moment, this is interesting. Condition for this further continuation to the upside is that the make or break point is holding. Our make or break point for this wave structure is this swing low, the beginning of the yellow wave 1. That is at 89, I mean, to be accurate, 89.40. But it, again, you know, it depends a little bit on the exchange, yeah, what you're looking at. But here I've got Bitstamp open, it's 89.40. Maybe I will convert the chart to an exchange where we have a little bit more volume, but it's okay. Yeah, it works for Litecoin well. Yeah, and then it should also not break below $94 ideally, because that is the fib level below which a breakdown gets more likely, which means consequently that a break below $94 will make it quite likely that this 89.40 level will break as well. So ideally we're holding that level. Yeah. We might go a little lower, we don't need to, but this is support, and I've highlighted here the most relevant support levels on the chart. For a wave 2, $100, I think that will be a substantial support level, 97.60 and 94. And if we look at the 38.2 fib level, which is quite relevant as well, you can see that we've touched it here a couple of times now. Yesterday and today, and the 38.2 fib level is typically an ideal target for the A wave in a wave 2. So A wave, and then we had a 3-wave move to the upside, not a 5-wave move. So I do count at the moment this here as a high B wave, yeah, and then a C wave to the downside possibly now, which could be unfolding. That's sort of my best reading of the chart here at the moment. Always understand we don't need to go down to 94. We don't even need to go down to 97. Ideally, a wave 2 gets to the 50% fib level at least though. And the lower we go, obviously, the closer we are to a possible stop loss level. The larger the position size could become if you wanted to trade this on the long side, yeah. But yeah, if you've been following the Litecoin chart, you should have some profits anyway. Then you can decide if you start to scale out at some point or you're moving up the stop loss. There is not much more to add, I think. I mean, the only thing I would like to mention here is that what is the confirmation really that the third wave has started? So in most cases, the C wave of the wave 2 would end below the low of the A wave. So it would, in most cases, statistically, if we talk about probabilities, price would break below $2.70. Yeah? And then at some point there in the lower half of the box, the wave 2 would finish. But it doesn't need to, you know, because we have an overshooting B wave, we can form a so-called running flat structure in which the C wave is going to end above the A wave. But that's not that frequent. Yeah, we don't see it that often, especially not in a wave 2. And if it does, it would be super bullish. Yeah, confirmation that this third wave is running is obviously watching for reversal here first. We're, by the way, just retesting we're not only testing the 38.2 fib level, we are also testing a previous swing high, which is the B wave high, which was made on the 18th of April. But confirmation that this move up is starting or continuing in third wave, confirmation would be a break above the wave 1 high at $111.40. Yeah, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.